Hi, I'm Emily from the Teen Department at the Pulaski County Public Library, and today I'm going to show you guys how to make a flip book. The first thing that you will need is 3 sheets of just normal size paper. You'll need some scissors, some markers, crayons, coloring pencils, a stapler, and that's all you should really need. So getting started, I'm just going to take my paper, and the size that I made looks like this, and the way that I achieved that was I just took my normal size paper and I folded it in half. So I found the easiest way is just to go ahead and fold these, and then you can go back and cut them later. So this kind of just gives me my lines and tells me where I need to cut, and then I'm just going to fold it in half. And you can make your flip book any size that you want. I just kind of went with this, and it's going to take 24 sheets. So if I cut along all these lines, so I'm just going to do this roughly so you guys can see kind of what I'm talking about. So you're just going to do this to all of them. So you have your little sheets. And like I said, it's going to take 3 pieces of paper. So all together, you should have 24 little pages here. And what I done was I lined them up. And if you need to trim anything, you can. But I just lined them up, and I took my stapler and I stapled, making sure that it goes all the way through. If you do it any thicker, or if you use like cardstock, it might be hard for your stapler to go through. And so then I'm going to take my flip book and I'm going to turn it with the bad side of the staples up, and I'm going to fold it over like this so you can see all these pages. And I'm just going to trim them with this last piece. And this is going to be a mess. It's going to be kind of hard to cut through. You can trim it if you need, so it goes out of the way. And so then whenever you open it back up and you turn it on this side, you should be able to flip through your pages a little bit easier. So starting out, I already done this one, and I'll show you guys what it looked like, but I just wanted to do like a heart with an arrow coming through it. And so to achieve that, I just started off by drawing a heart on the same side in the same spot on every page. So you're just going to go through, you're just going to draw your heart. Try to draw them as identical as you can, and if you're using a marker, sometimes it will bleed through just a little bit, so you can kind of keep them, even. And then I started out with my arrow coming this way, so you just go a little bit more each time. So I just started out with just the end of the arrow starting to come through. So the next one, I'll keep that in the same spot. It's going to come through just a little more. So, and you just keep on like that. And I'll kind of show you guys with this one. So I took this, and as you can tell, each one got a little bit more. And it went all the way through it until the end. So if I flip through this, it should look something like that. It should look like it's like moving or whatever. But you can do whatever. You can do like a little stick figure and have it move, whatever you want to do. It's really up to you, and you can just make it your own. So I hope that you guys enjoy this. I hope that you're able to make your own, and I will see you guys next time.